Alright, so let's start with this one. Our position here is against the light, yes, but let's keep this rolling. Okay, so first we need to name this rectangle. So rect, then body element, background, body selector, element, yeah, background property, and the value of this background is this one, and the color of our rectangle is this one. Oh no, but let's make this quick. Let's change them. Then control the position, absolute, margin, auto, top 0, bottom 0, right 0, and left 0. So in this position, let's make this bigger. Okay, a bit 250 maybe. Then push this to the bottom, like that, and push this to the left. So negative also. And then, okay, let's add the width 50. Okay, and let's do the rectangle in the middle of this big rectangle. So rect 1 and rect 2, rename this to rect, of course, and copy, paste, rename this to rect 1. Change the color to the background, and also reduce the height obviously, and push this to the top like so, and reduce the width a bit bigger, then push this to the right like so, and let's create the bottom part or the rect 2. Copy, paste, rename to rect 2, and invert the position, the vertical position. Add some 150. Alright, that's it. Admit we have no internet, so let's leave it like that.